my channel. So today I will be doing a makeup video. So it's my first time doing a makeup look video and it's called Red Makeup Look. So I've got some products from Yesstyle to do a makeup look and I'll be doing this makeup look today. So this is the look that I'm currently doing on my face. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so after I've applied the concealer on my face, I've already concealed my face beforehand, and now I'll be applying the cushion, and the cushion I'm using would be this Abib Hydration Cushion Compact in shade 22. It looks like this. So I'll go ahead and apply it now on my face. So as you can see, the coverage is okay. So after applying the cushion, I will be applying the eyeshadow. So the one I'm using is this Moonshot Reve eyeshadow palette, and it comes in quite a few shades, as you can see right here. So I'm not very good in applying eyeshadow, by the way, because I'm still a beginner in makeup. So I think I will apply a base first. So I will apply this one here using the brush. Okay, so let's go. The next color I'll be using would be, I think I will go with this shade right here. This one, yeah. The next one I will go with this light pink, or rather rose pink shade right here. The last eyeshadow color I'm using would be this one right here. Just a little bit. And one trick is to apply a little bit on your lower eyelid, so make your eyes stand out. Eyeshadow done. So the next one I'll be using will be this glitter. Very cute, very pretty glitter. This is from Peach Sea Champagne Eye Glitter in number 3 Rose Coral. Yeah. So I've never tried it before and I hope it's good. glitter. The next one I'll be using will be eyeliner. So this one is from MACQUEEN Waterproof Gel Eyeliner in shade number 8, which is Mood Heroine, as you can see. So this one is what I'm using. So I'm not really good in drawing eyeliners, so yeah, might not be that well done. Done with eyeliner. It's not very well done, but I still need to practice a little bit more. I will be drawing my brows, so let's go using a brow pencil. Do contouring. The one I'm using for contour will be ETUDE House Play 101 stick, which is in shade 01. I'm not really good in contouring because I've only tried it once, but let's see, okay? Usually I contour my nose the most. A brush to draw the contour. See, your nose bridge is more sharper now. Then I'll do a bit of highlights on my nose and forehead. The last step of my makeup would be to apply lipstick. So this lipstick from Romance in Zero Velvet Tint in shade 4, Burned Heart. So this one, it looks like this. A little bump here because I have a pimple growing and it's so annoying, but yeah, I try to conceal it as much as I can, but there's still a bump. So oh, I forgot that I have this, the canmake cream cheek. This is in shade 7. I'm not sure what's the color, but it's this shade, so it's like this. I've never tried this kind of blusher before, so it might be something new. Yeah, so we'll see. So I think what you do is you basically put some on your hand and Okay, so that's it for this makeup look. I will see you next time. I have another video coming up, so stay tuned to that. It's a K-pop related video. And yes, bye!